Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Sunday. I know it's a little bit late. It's 5:46 p.m. I normally do my Sunday market analysis a little bit earlier in the weekend, but I had a lot of stuff to do this weekend. And I went to church today, and the church session went a little bit longer than expected. It was supposed to be a 1 hour service, but it turned into like 3 to 4 hours. But I'm happy that I went. Met some really cool people. Um, but yeah, guys, if this is your first time tuning in, what I like to do is Um, but yeah, like I was saying, what I like to do is I like to review my trades from last week and see how I can improve and see what areas I can make improvements on. So I'm gonna hop to the calendar and I'm gonna go to last Sunday because Sundays are where I normally place my first trades. So immediately I can see that I already took a first win for 160 pips. This is nice. Over here, I took 72 pips. And then over here, I kept on trading, which is stupid because I already made two wins. And so now I kept on trading. I took three back to back losses over here for 40, 50, and 60 pips. Over here at 3:50 a.m. I don't know if I actually took this trade or I might have been paper traded. But if I did, it's a 197 pip win. Over here at market open, I took a 88 pip loss. I took a 33 pip loss. I should have widened out my stop loss a little bit more on that trade. Over here, I think I took a loss here, or maybe 157 pip win. I'm not too sure on that one because this looks like a very small stop loss. Over here, a 45 pip win, a 36 pip loss, a 75 pip win, and this is the where I should have held because the price started to form bullish, but this is like 12 a.m. also, so I couldn't hold that for too long. I took an 11 pip win over here. It's a super quick scalp. And over here, this is the trade that made me $4,000 last week. So I took 395 pip win on that super bullish impulsive move to the upside. And then over here, I just kept on buying. 26 pip win, 123 pip win, 53 pip win, 69 pip win, 149 pip win. This is a 24 pip win, 127 pip win. This looks like a 40 pip loss because my stop loss is too small. 37 pip loss, 43 pip win. This was a 76 pip loss. I should have widened up my stop loss a little bit more because it should have retested over here. And then 84 pip win. And over here, this is Sunday today. So I took two back to back losses. I was in profit for $500. I took my trade around here. I let it hit all the way to drawdown over here, and I ended up blowing one funded account, which is kind of stupid. But yeah, guys, what I'm trying to do is like take less trades and focus more on quality trades. Because, like I was saying as before, it's like you don't need to catch the full move; you just need to catch a piece of the move, and that's what I've been doing. I'm like some of my trades are scalps, and some of them are I'll hold a little bit longer. Like this trade, I definitely held this one for. Actually, I didn't hold this one for too long. I think this is like 30 minutes, a 30-minute trade because price went super fucking bullish, like crazy. But yeah, guys, this is the thing about trading. Like sometimes you don't want to trade too much, and you don't want to go on tilt, like how it's kind of going like over here. Because I took 2 to 3 trades over here. I think I took 3 trades because I kept on scaling in, I kept on scaling on my loss, and then but yeah, guys, just want to share this with you guys. So I'm getting better at not taking too many trades and lessening my trades. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my charts, and then we're gonna start the chart with you guys. Remove 50 drawings. So what I like to do is I like to start in a daily time frame and see where price can have the most biggest reactions off of. So I like to start off on the new all-time high. I go to template, bada boom. I'll mark up this daily resistance because it's a strong area. It's another daily resistance. Daily support over here. Price bounced off of this level 3 times. So all we could see what price is doing is price is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Same thing over here. I'm gonna call this resist support and resistance. And if price does decide to come down over here, we want to know where price can go. All right, now we're gonna find my 4-hour zones. Go to 4-hour zones. I'm gonna mark it up to the next Sunday so I don't have to redo my charts again. This is gonna be a fairly big zone, but it's okay. We'll make it work. I'm gonna mark up this as a lower time frame zone, zone within zone, essentially. Now I'm gonna drop down to, let's see, the 30-minute time frame, see if I can find any minor zones again. Yeah, we already have a very nice lower time frame zone. We have a higher high that's going to be retested as support. This is another smaller lower time frame zone right over here. I'm going to drop down to the 5-minute time zone to see if I can find any more lower time frame zones. I think that's it. Because right now I can see that price is retesting this area as resistance as support. Is forming this nice level of support right here. And I'm actually in a buy position right now. So actually, if I log into my Tradevate, I'm gonna pause it. So I'm actually up $325, but I'm technically down $676 on the day because I took 2 back-to-back losses. So I am technically down. I'm risking $940 on this trade. And the reason why I'm have this TP right here is because price has a level of support right here, and I might reject off that. So again, it probably will come up here to take out liquidity from pre last week's high. But again, I don't want to risk too much because, or I don't want to get too greedy and like hope for shoot for the moon and price will reject on me, et cetera, et cetera. So I don't want to risk too much. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go zoom out. I'm gonna go up to the 4 hour time frame so you guys can take a screenshot of my levels. So if you guys want to take a screenshot of this, go for it. And let's look at the Forex factory fundamentals for the next week. So this coming week we have a little bit of news. We have FOMC meeting minutes at Wednesday at 11 a.m. That'll be a big one. Thursday we have prelim GDP and Thursday unemployment claims. And Friday core PCE price index. So some red folders, which will be good for price action, will be causing a lot of movement in the markets, which is good. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any other questions, feel free to shoot my DMs and I'm happy to answer them for you guys. And as always, Gold Collector out.